Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I built out a React.js client-side media converter, so which is audio, image and video converter directly in browser. So we are running this project localhost. So it's fully private, 100% private. All the processing directly happens in the browser using FFmpeg WebAssembly library. So this is actually the library, open source library, which allows you to use FFmpeg directly in the browser. So we are using this, and the interface is quite simple. You drag and drop your media file, which can be video, audio or image file. So this is the full directory structure of this React project. Each and every component is coded directly in TypeScript, so it's easy for you to customize this and add additional features. So you can directly purchase the source code. The link is given in the description. So we are also using Tailwind CSS as well, FFmpeg WebAssembly library, and these are set of commands here for running this project locally and building it out. So we are running it, as you can see, locally, so it's easy for you to deploy this as well. So after purchase you will get the source code from Google Drive automatically. So let me show you the demo of the application. So first of all, you select whatever file that you want to convert. It can be a video file, it can be audio or image file. So let me select the video file, MP4. Let's suppose I want to convert this to AVI. You click the start button and the processing will start. And once it completes, you will get the notification. So each and every processing directly happens in the browser. You can do this unlimited number of times. So I can open a new tab and do the same thing. Let me select a image file. So again, you have all these options to convert this image to WebP. So now once the processing finishes, you will get this notification. You can see the download button. So you click the download button to actually download the output file here. So it successfully converted your image to WebP image. So this is a converter here. Same goes with video as well. So totally depends upon the size of the video as well. So it's still converting. And same goes, you can select multiple files at once as well. So you can select multiple files. So again, you can do bulk processing. So just select the required format and it will process file one by one. Click this, you can see that. So it's support multiple processing as well. So you select your files, and same goes with audio as well. So you select the audio file, simply select the format. So again it finishes. So you can just see here how easy it is to actually convert media files from one format to another. So we are using this FFmpeg WebAssembly library inside this React project. So if you're interested in this, you can directly purchase it. And we are still using Tailwind CSS as well for building out the user interface of the application. So you can just see here all the files are there in this. So you can basically customize the look and feel of the application as well. So it will save you a lot of time, and it's fully customizable, it's fully responsive as well. So it works perfectly on mobile devices as well. It also supports dark theme as well, as you can see. So it will save you a lot of time if you're looking forward for building this kind of a website. You can purchase a domain name and easily deploy this by running the build command, and it will build out the entire React project. So the possibilities are endless. You can also learn a lot by seeing how I coded this from scratch using FFmpeg. So these kinds of apps and websites are really useful because users are looking forward for converting their media files. So definitely if you're interested. So the thing is that all the processing is happening directly in the browser. So there is no backend or server side. All the processing directly happens on the user device. So There is no limits to it. The user can upload many files up to a time. So if you still are interested in this, definitely purchase it. And if you still face any problem, I will definitely help you. So now if you just want to build out this application, you run the build command. So this will deploy your application npm run build. So this will compile all the assets into a single file. You can see it's compiling and building out your React application. So everything is compiled here into a public folder, into a dist folder. So now you can upload this folder to any hosting platform to host this website.